shows the construction of the roadways leading up to the new St.Croix Bridge. This is facing southwest towards where the road curves into Highway 36. And there goes a Porsche convertible. In the background there is the ash pit. Right there is the construction for the new bridge over Highway 36 that replaces this old bridge right here. Darn, I forget the name of the bridge. Oh well, I might put it in the description down below. But they only started work on this probably within about the last month. But a lot of dirt was removed from this area to bring the surface down lower. And more piles of dirt being moved around. Alan King Power Plant, coal cars, excavators, all that kind of fun stuff. Oh, okay, now I remember. This is the old Beach Road Bridge, which they closed off access to about 2 or 3 weeks ago. It is Monday, September 16th, and more views for all the people who can't get here to see the beautiful construction work, beautiful progress.